Okay, so on to the next part. So if we look at the frame, we're now moving towards the top of our wing. So we've got this little section here that we still have to do, and then this leaf. So for the next leaf, we first want to do this one because it's lying on top of this one, and then we'll move around to the top side. So we're going to do this one now on both sides, and then after that one we'll do the one below that, and then these two little ones. So I'm still working on the front of my pewter. I'm working on my lino sheet, and I'm going to add a little bit of lubricant again. And then using the metal ball tool, the 0.5mm metal ball tool, I'm going to draw in that main leaf. Then we can do the other side as well. Still working on the front of my pewter. There we go, and now we can flatten. So we remove the lino sheet, and then we flatten on the hard surface with our paper stump towards our design. Okay, and then we need to tidy up with the Teflon tool. Okay, so we are now ready to do our detail lines from the back, and we are on our 4 layers of felt on the back of our pewter, and we're going to do the detail line again with the sharp tip Teflon tool. So first of all, we first do the main line, which in this case is the line heading straight from this corner into that corner. Then from the main line we can do the side lines. There we go. Now we need to turn our pewter face up again so that we can flatten on our hard surface. So we take our Teflon, our paper stump, and then we flatten on the hard surface, working towards our design. There we go. So next up will be these two ones here. So we have to go back onto our liner sheet. Working from the front of our pewter on the liner sheet, and with a medium to a heavy pressure we draw in the outlines with our metal ball tool. Okay, and now we can flatten. Okay, so now we turn our pewter upside down and we put it on our layer of felt. So on the back of our pewter, on our felt, with our sharp tip Teflon tool, these two only have two lines going down and then connecting the other one as well. Same on the other side. I'm first going to do the one line and then the other one straight from that line. And then of course we need to flatten again from the front. So turn pewter face up again and then flatten from the front. Okay, so now we're ready to move on to the next piece, which will be this small area here and this small area here, and then on the other side as well. So back onto our lino, staying on the front of our pewter, and we're still going to use the 0.5mm ball tool. And we draw the outlines. Same on the other side. Okay, now we can remove our lino and then we can flatten. And after we've defined, we can add the detail lines from the back. So back onto our felt. And then we turn our pewter upside down. Remember to always use 2 points of your pewter to lift it up. Keep it steady and turn it over. You don't want your pewter to bend while turning it over. So on the back of our pewter with our Teflon tip, we can add the detail lines. Okay, so once done, again, pick up your pewter, turn it upside down or face up on your hard surface, and then we can flatten again around the area. Okay, so that is done the full frame at the bottom. So in the next section we're going to start again, the same as we did at the bottom. We're going to start with the central design, which is this one, and then we're going to work our way out.